fools rushing, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my
And here we are ready. DJ Music List. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. And excitement. Of course, this has been prepared for so long time, and now this is the moment to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mr. Hans Arson Gregorio, your host for this day. And of course, once again, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the grandest wedding celebration of our newest couple of the year. I know you are all excited to see once again our lovely couple having their great entrance. But without further ado, may we all stand and let's all welcome first our secondary sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our secondary sponsors. Palakpakan mo natin. And everyone, please raise your hands this year. Newest couple of the year, Mr. and Mrs. Arsenio. A round of applause, please. Ayan, palakpakan mo natin everyone. Taas mo na natin mga kamay, everyone. Palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, alright. Okay, and of course, to
Sige po. Ama naming Diyos, salamat po ng napakarami sa iyo. Inipon mo kami sa dakong ito upang makipagsaya sa aming mga kapatid na pinag-isang dibdib mo sa araw na ito. Nagagalak ang aming mga puso. Ama, maawa ka po, lingapin mo nawa ang aming mga kapatid. Paspasan mo ang kanilang pagsasama. Magbunga ng maraming taon ng maliligayang araw sa kanilang buhay. Higit sa lahat, pagpalain mo kung lagi sila. Subaybayan ang kanilang paglalakbay araw-araw. Mamalagi sa kanlungan ng iyong tanggapin din po namin ang mga nakahandang pagkain. Paspasan mo nawa ito't magdulot ng lusog ng pangangatawan namin. At Ama, gawin mong maligaya ang sandali ito sa piling ng mga kapatid naming bagong kasal. Gawin mong maligaya ang bawat isa sa amin. Ang lahat hiling po namin sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming tagapagligtas.
Ilan ang mahina ko sa math? 12 times 4. 48 na anak daw po ang gagawin nila. Ayan, kaya po ba? Or baka 4 po na anak ang gusto nyo? 4 na anak. Oh, and of course, everyone, para po mapatunayan kung 4 na anak po talaga ang gagawin nila. Can we have them at 10-second keys? Yes, okay. So, in the count of 5 po, you can have, you will have your 10-second kiss. Okay? Sir Romel and Mom Josephine, ready? Let's all count out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kiss po tayo na. 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 10! Everybody! 10 seconds. Diretso na po. 1, 2, 3, go. 10! 9! Everybody! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2, 1. Yan! Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, Sir Romel and Ma'am Jocelyn. So you will now take your seat. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan po na po tayo. Alright, and of course, everyone, a wedding brings people and their families together. It also refreshes the family ties that have gone stale and almost forgotten for a toll of time and distance. Because this afternoon or today, we are celebrating the marriage, the love, and the unity of Mr. and Mrs. Arsenio. Kaya naman po, isang masigaw po, palakpakan po sa ating inuwi couple, Sir Romel and Ma'am Josephine. Alright. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like also to acknowledge the key persons who took a great part of this joyous affair. For without them, this event would not be possible. So as I call your name, please proceed here on the center stage. And of course, may we have the parents of the bride and the groom. Let's start with the parents of the bride. We have Mr. George L. Rivera and Mrs. Alice G. Dayawa. Ayan. Palapakan po natin. Punta po tayo dito, ma'am. Once again, palapakan po natin the parents of the bride. And of course, we have the parents of the groom, Mr. Juby Arsenio and Mrs. Maria Fe Arsenio. Ayan. Nasaan po sila? Ayan. Okay, palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, isa pa sila po palakpakan po to the parents of the bride and groom and to the foster father and mother of the bride and groom. Once again, isa pa sila po palakpakan po sa kanila. And sige, picture po muna tayo. Let's have a photo opportunity. Alright. Ayan, and I would like to say this to you, Mom and Sir, thank you so much po for your